If you have been struggling with the social media usage, social media consumption, you want to cut down on your Instagram usage or Twitter usage or Facebook usage, this is something that is likely to work. First of all, understand that these platforms have been designed in such a way that once you are using them, you are likely to continue using them for a prolonged period of time. All those 30-second dopamine hits that you get, they are just too thrilling to let go of. What you can control is how often you use these platforms. And how do you do that? Make it difficult for yourself to use the platform. As long as there's an app icon on your phone, and the phone which is always next to you, which is always in your hand, you would never be able to stop yourself from clicking the icon of Instagram and starting the usage. What you can do is, do not use social media on the phone. Instead, use social media on either the desktop, laptop, or maybe the iPad. What it does is, first of all, getting into a platform, starting the Instagram becomes more difficult than just clicking on the icon. You have to go to the desktop and start a system and then log in the details, and then you would be in the system on the social media platform. That in itself is difficult. Also, the whole interface, the user experience on desktop or laptop is not that great. It's a bit buggy, right? It's not that smooth, so you don't even enjoy it as much. So if you have to use social media for any reasons, for example, we have to use it to interact with our students. So this is the strategy that I follow. I use it only on the iPad. On iPad, it's not that pleasurable to use. It's not that smooth. So whatever I want to post, I post it. If I have to read some messages, if I have to reply to some messages, I do that, and then I just shut it down. And since I don't have those apps on my phone, I'm less likely to go on the iPad every single time, and then log in the details. So this is something which works pretty well. And if you have been struggling with this issue, you can definitely give it a try. Thank you.